एवरीवन, मैं वंदना आप सबका यूपीएससी टाइम में स्वागत करती हूँ। आज की वीडियो में हम एनसीईआरटी हिस्ट्री क्लास 8 का लास्ट चैप्टर 6 चैप्टर जो कि है इंडिया आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस कवर करने वाले हैं। इट इज अवर पास्ट 3 पार्ट 2 बुक। नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द चैप्टर। आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस मतलब इंडिपेंडेंस के बाद क्या क्या हुआ। प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हम इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस से पहले का टॉपिक कवर अप कर चुके थे। इन लेक्चर्स में हम अब इंडिपेंडेंस के बाद वाला करेंगे और इस तरह से हम आगे आगे मॉडर्न इंडिया की तरफ, मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री की तरफ बढ़ते चले जाएंगे। ऑलमोस्ट मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री तक पहुंच भी चुके हैं। आफ्टर इट्स इंडिपेंडेंस इन अगस्त 1947 इंडिया फेस्ड ह्यूज चैलेंजेस। सम ऑफ द मेजर चैलेंजेस आर एज फॉलो। कुछ चैलेंजेस हैं जो इसमें दिखाए गए हैं। आफ्टर द पार्टीशन के बाद, जो आप प्रीवियस लेक्चर में पढ़ चुके थे कि बंगाल का पार्टीशन हुआ था, ये सब बोल 8 मिलियन रिफ्यूजीज हैड कम फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान। रिहेबिलिटेशन ऑफ दीज रिफ्यूजीज was a big challenge. These were about 500 princely states which need to be assimilated into the country. The huge population of India was divided along caste and communal line. The country had always been a diverse one with numerous culture. The economy was totally dependent on agriculture, which depend on the monsoon. A large number of factory workers were poor and were living in slums. The nation was in abject poverty. Means क्या हुआ कि एट दैट टाइम की इकोनॉमी की पूरी को मतलब जो अर्थव्यवस्था थी वो कृषि पे निर्धारित थी और कृषि थी मॉनसून पे। लार्ज नंबर ऑफ फैक्ट्री वर्कर वर पुअर फैक्ट्री वर्कर थे, वर लिविंग इन ए स्लम। द नेशन वाज इन abject poverty. A constitution is written, and when after the 1947 इंडिपेंडेंस के बाद एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन लिखा गया। जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्या था? संविधान था जिसके ऊपर जिसमें इतने रूल्स लिखे गए थे, रेगुलेशन लिखे गए हैं जिसके आधार पर जस्टिस किया जाता है और कंट्री या फिर नेशन को चलाया जाता है। द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली वॉज फॉर्म बाय elected representative. It held its deliberation between the December 1946 and November 1949 to draw a constitution for the new nation. The Indian constitution was adopted on 26 Jan 1950. Voting rights are also provided after the written of the constitution. Whatever that those rights which were provided the nation, it's a voting right. Universal adult franchises was adopted by the constitution, and it was one of the remarkable feature of the constitution. In other countries, it had taken year of struggle to ensure universal adult franchise. Thus the constitution gave a political equality to all citizens of the India. Equality yani ki like of rights of voting, and there is the law of equality is also in the constitution. Okay, another feature of the constitution was the guarantee of the equality before the law regardless of the caste of religion affiliation. While some leader proposed to build the nation on Hindu ideal, Jawaharlal Nehru wanted to build a secular state. It's what is a secular means ki each and individual people of the country have their own religion. Nobody else will suppress them to attain that religion. मतलब हर एक का अलग अलग रिलीजन होगा, कोई भी उन्हें सप्रेस नहीं करेगा कि आप इस रिलीजन को मानो। ओके, रिजर्वेशन। एक और मेन बात, सेक्युलर वर्ड विल अमेंडेड इन अ 42nd अमेंडमेंट इन अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इन विच सेक्युलर वर्ड विल एक्ट add in a preamble of the constitution. Reservation of underprivileged. Special privileges were given for the poorest and most disadvantaged Indian. The Dalit and the tribals had faced oppression since ages. They were given reservation in a government job and educational institution so that they could improve their socio-economical status. Reservation for these classes was also given in the parliament and the state. Several rounds of discussion were held to distribute power between the center and the state. It was argued that only a strong center would help in developing a country and united country. Some members argued in favor of giving more power to the provinces. A balance was chalked out by making separate list of the subjects for the union and the state government. The current list was prepared to include subjects with a common interest. Issue of the language. The issue of language was another serious matter of the discussion. Some leaders believed that English should be done away with, one Hindi should be promoted as a national language. But this idea was opposed by the leader from the non-Hindu areas. These note wanted imposition on the Hindi on the people of those areas. Finally, it was decided that while Hindi would be the official language, English would be used for communication among the various states. Formation of new state. Back in the 1920s, the Congress has a promise to create a linguistic state after the independence, but the partition of country along the communal lines changed mindset of the nationalist leader. They wanted to prevent further division in the country on sectarian lines. Nehru and the Sardar Patel was against the creation of the linguistic state, but people from many parts of India began their demand for the creation of states based on the languages. The strongest protest come from the Telugu-speaking district of the Madras Presidency. Nehru was shown back flag when he went there to campaign the general election of the 1952. Poti Shri Ramulu. In October of 1952, a Gandhian leader, Poti Shri Mullu, went on a fast onto that to demand the formation of Andhra Pradesh for the Telugu speakers. After the 58 days into his fast, Poti Shri Mullu died on 15 December 1952. This sparked large-scale violence and a protest. The government had to concede to the demand on the new state of Andhra Pradesh was created on October 1953. Creation of more states. After the creation of Andhra Pradesh, demand from other linguistic group came cropping up. A state Reorganization Commission was set up to look into the matter. The commission submitted its reports in 1956. Based on its recommendation, the states of Assam, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka were created. The large Hindi-speaking region of the north was also broken up into the several states. Bombay was divided into Maharashtra and Gujarat in 1960. Punjab was divided into Punjab and Haryana in 1960. In these, only one thing we have to notice that there is the only basis are the language for the partition of many states like Punjab and Haryana will decide by on its language basis, like Punjabi is speaking in the Punjab and Haryanvi is the language of Haryana. Planning for the development, removing poverty and building a modern technical and industrial base were important objectives for the new nation. The Planning Commission was set up in the 1950 to plan and execute policy for the economical development. The policymaker followed the model of the mixed economy. As per this model, both the states and the privileged sector had a play important and complementary role in economical development. The nation 60 years on, India has entered into the 7th decade of the independence. The biggest achievement of the nation is the continuity of the democratic form of the government. At the end of independence, many foreign observers had predicted that India would not be able to survive as a single country. The huge diversity of India was the basis of their apprehension, but we are enjoying the fruits of democracy, independent judiciary and the independent media. यानी कि आज नेशन को इंडिपेंडेंट हुए 60 ईयर्स हो चुके हैं, और उसके बाद अगर हमारे ये फोरे फादर्स नहीं होते और जिन्होंने इतनी लड़ाई लड़ी हमें इंडिपेंडेंट दिलाने के लिए, तो हम जो आज फ्रूट्स चख रहे हैं इंडिपेंडेंस के, वो आज हम चख नहीं पाते. Socio-economical disparities still persist in the country. Caste-based inequality persists in many states or parts of the rural India. Communal violence has also been happened from time to time. यानी कि many things are also still exist in the country which will जो हमें पीछे की तरफ खींच रही है। ठीक है, अगर ये चीज़ें हट जाएंगी लाइक इक्वेलिटी एंड communal violence etc, then India will also grow further. ठीक है, at last with this our this chapter is complete, and with this chapter our this book also complete. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, अगर आपको चैनल पर नए आए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि आने वाली वीडियो के नोटिफिकेशंस आपको टाइम पे मिलती रहें। और अगर आपको वीडियो से रिलेटेड या सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड किसी भी टाइप की क्वेरी हो चैप्टर से रिलेटेड भी, तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में पूछ सकते हैं। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो, स्टे ट्यून ऑन द यूपीएससी टाइम। वंदना इज ऑलवेज हियर।